This video is about how nature debunks the out of Africa theory. We still got a lot of people who think that all life forms originated from Africa, which is ridiculous. We got the American eagle, that's indigenous to the Americas. You got the African eagle over there, that's indigenous to Africa. Those are the facts. It's that simple. Another thing about it is the words. You know, native means to be born in a place. It also means bondage. All right. Native to and native of, those two terms mean or are equivalent to the word indigenous. All right. So part 2 to this video is I'm going to show you actually what I'm talking about. I'm going to actually show you two life forms that look similar to each other but are unrelated to each other, and they're indigenous to their particular landmass. The laws of nature applies to all life forms, including the original people of the world. Basically, that's it. Here we have the African bush squirrel, native to Africa. Eastern gray squirrel is native to the Americas. Right? Got the African penguin, and we got the American penguin. Right? Got the African Blackfoot cat that looks similar to our cat, the margai. Native to America, native to Africa. African lion, native to Africa. The American lion, native to the Americas. The mountain lion. Africa has their gray parrot. We used to have a parakeet. It went extinct. We had the Carolina parakeet over here. It was native to the United States. They have an African fish eagle. We have our own American eagle. Unrelated. But they both look similar, don't they? Right? We have our wild turkey in America. Africa has the guinea fowl. Right? They're unrelated to each other. Look similar. They're from different locations. Have the American badger. And they have over on the other side the honey badger, native to Africa and Eurasia. Unrelated, but they're both badgers. And then we can say, okay, Pangea happened. Let's say if that was real, then how would we explain how we have the Venus flytraps that are native to the Americas that are only found here? There's no plant in Africa that looks like this. And then Africa has their own native plant. The Pelargonium. What I said, Pelargonium is Pelargonium. Pelargonium. That shit is a long, crazy ass name with fucking mad syllables. But look, that's besides the point. Plants can't walk. Right? So saying all dark-skinned people with woolly hair, high cheekbones, wide noses, thick lips have roots in Africa is like saying all plants originated from Africa. That shit sounds so silly. Alright, now we're going to go to take it to the next level. Okay, we have these beautiful people. These people are, this is the Smithsonian website, okay? Let's see, how can we do this? These people are classified as what? What are they classified as? Okachang Indians, right? Indians of North America, Northeast. Let's go see how these Indians look. Dark skin, woolly hair. This guy has curly hair, different hair textures, wide nose, high cheekbones, These people are classified as American Indians from a particular tribe, Suffolk County to be exact. All right. See the woolly hair under his hat? I just picked this picture right here at random. This is a guy, let me see, can I? Okay. Cameroon, dark skin, woolly hair, high cheekbones. He's not an American Indian. His place of origin is in Cameroon, Africa. These people, the Smithsonian, I'm going to put the links in the video for all this information so you guys won't say I'm making this shit up. How the fuck would I make this shit up? I don't have the fucking time for this shit. Alright? Anyway, these guys are classified as Indians, not once, but twice. Right? And before you guys say some stupid shit like, or not you guys, my followers, but before the trolls come on here and make silly ass comments, and especially in relation to Pangea. If Pangea was real, I just want to end the video with this. Look, all of these fucking islands crashing into each other. They'll be on a fucking collision crash course. Right? Look at this. They all crash into each other. It'll be so many earthquakes from the plates moving and shit if Pangea was real, because if it was, this shit was gonna fucking stop.